Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the camera watermark in this device. For this, open the camera. So here I am going to take one photo. So here I am going to take one photo. Should go to this one. So here you can, there is no watermark. So let me show you how to enable this camera watermark in this device. For this, open the camera, then tap on the option settings button on the top right side. Then here you can see the option watermark. Okay, tap on this one. So first we need to enable this one, device watermark. Now you can see a small demo also you can see here. Okay, so if you want to customize the watermark, that means if you want to enter your name, then you can enter here. So if you want to see the date and time on this photo that you taken in this device, you need to turn on this option. Here I am going to turn on this one. So here I am going to enter a name here, just John. That's it. Now go back. So again I am going to take a photo. Take the photo. Now let me show you. It's processing. Now at the bottom left side you can see the watermark. You can see the watermark, right? And the bottom right side you can see the date and time that you taken the photo. You can see bottom left side you can see the device watermark, and also you enter the name also you can see at the bottom right side, left side, and the bottom right side you can see the date and time that you took the photo. So simply in this way you can enable the camera watermark in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.